if Gachagua can weaken UDA from Mount Kenya, and if Matiang'i mobilizes civil servants quietly, Kalonzo rallies Eastern and Gen Z, then Ruto faces not protesters, but a presidential threat. Who invited Rigathi to join opposition politics? This question alone has sent confusion into the Kenya Kwanza ranks. But let's be realistic. Umoja ni rahisi when it comes on stage, na ni ngumu when in strategy. Matiang'i is silent, disciplined, and cautious. Gachagua is loud, confrontational, and unpredictable. Tukiona Kalonzo pia ni diplomatic and sometimes too patient. Will they sacrifice individual ambitions for one goal? Ama ni kila mtu anacheza game yake? What happened at Wiper NDC was not a normal gathering. It was a signal. The midnight meeting that followed is a warning. And the silence of these leaders is a strategy. Kwa mara ya kwanza kabisa in history, President Ruto is facing a united, strategic, and calculated threat. Not from protests on the streets, but from former insiders who know how power works.